Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, daily recap actually. Today was an interesting day, so let me recap it. Coming into the pre-market, like there was literally nothing. Well, there was like a couple things just slowly going up, but nothing on the screeners. It was weird. Um, but yeah, so a lot actually happened. Now, I was focused on DIDI right out the open because it's the low hanging fruit, day two. There's lots of bagged longs on this day one, so that means it's going to be hard to push up on this day. And so that's the pattern that MIC teaches called low hanging fruit. And so that's what I did. I scaled into my 10 line and my 10-20 line. And these lines were based on 10, which is a key level just because it's the number 10, and because there was a resistance point here at 1030, and so I got executed a little early. My order was at 1025, but I had to lower it just because it never even hit. I actually think this arrow should have been like right here because I was kind of like adding to my winner. Because so what I did was my risk was originally 1040. But I thought if it broke out of this, I honestly just don't want to be in it. So what I did is lowered my risk and I added. So I did what I've always been talking about on my other daily recaps. So be sure to check those out about my risk. And so I added to my position by lowering my risk, and that's what I did because I thought, well, if it breaks this, I don't want to be in it, and if it rejects, then good. And now I have bigger size, and I'm really glad I did that. But it made a higher low, and this stock was a headache. The price action was slow. It was just holding up, and I got stopped out. And right when I got stopped out, it then rejected, and I went back. I don't think this was revenge trading. I actually talked to my tag group, trading accountability group, about this, asking if they thought it was revenge trading, and I honestly don't think so. Because this is a candle. This is it's not. I mean, you could call it a death candle because it's kind of like the biggest candle on the day. But I think that this is a confirmation candle I would always play, regardless of if I took that trade before. And so I played it. My original risk was 1010, and then once we kind of had this consolidation down here, I was like, okay, if this breaks 10, I don't want to be in it. And so I lowered my risk to 1005. And originally I planned on adding even more, but my first bullet, I was risking $5, and I was like, you know what? I don't want to, size up on this. There's no point. And I had previously lost $5 on this trade, and I actually sized down originally because low hanging fruit isn't really my setup. This confirmation setup is my setup, and so I'm glad I played this. Honestly, it's really ideal. This is something I would play a lot of the time. But this stock is just weird. Like the price action. Just overall, it's kind of like really weird and abnormal. But yeah, I got stopped out. It's probably gonna fade more, maybe not. It is zombie hour, so it could make higher lows and go on another run, but we'll see. But I stayed safe. Like I lost less than $10 today, and I learned a lot. I'm actually more frustrated about the day trades because now I have one day trade the rest of the week, which is good. Well, no. Sorry, not one day trade the rest of the week. One day trade a day for the next 5 trading days. So that's fine. There's not much else to talk about. A lot happened, but to be honest, I wasn't really focused on anything else. I was just watching DD, and I was sitting here, spinning my card. So anyways, I mean, this was probably pretty quick. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please drop a like so it can get recommended to others, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already because I'm posting every single day. And I'll see you guys probably later today because I'm going to be uploading the stock market videos and the finance videos. So I have these day trading videos in the morning, and then later I post, I'm going to be posting my stock portfolio, my investment portfolio later today. So be sure to check that out if you're interested. But yeah, I'll see you guys later today. Peace.